Hello and welcome to the video on Power BI. In this video, let us take a look at how we can import data from Azure Data Lake Storage using a ADLS Gen2 connector into Power BI. So to connect to ADLS Gen2, you can go here and search. You can click on More and you will see a pop-up window which will show all the different types of connectors present. So when I'm clicking on Azure, I'll get to see Azure Blob Storage. Similarly, I'll have a Azure Data Lake Storage Gen2. So this is what is the connector that we are going to use for this purpose. So as you see here, it is saying import data from Azure Data Lake Storage Gen2. So I'm clicking on connect. So the moment I click on connect, it is going to open a connection pane where I can give the URL and then connect to it. So how do I get the URL? So for the purpose of this demo, I've already created a storage account with me. So and this is my storage account. So here if you see, if you go to this endpoint, there is a property called endpoint present here. And if you go to this endpoint, it is going to give you all the different URLs to which you can connect to. So as you see here, there is a blob service URL, there is a file service URL, there is a queue service, table service, data lake storage, and static website. So I'm going to use the data lake storage URL. So and this is the URL that I'm going to use. I'll just copy this. I'm going to put it here. Then I'm going to click on OK. So this is going to go to an authentication wherein you can authenticate using access keys or SAS tokens or Microsoft Entra ID as to whatever you have. So I've already had the authentication set up here. So if you want to know how you can set up this authentication, you can just search for access keys here, and this is going to give all the access keys present here. You'll have to just unhide this, copy this, put it there for authentication. And there is also a SAS token option that is present here, so you can use that as well. You can generate a SAS token and connection string, and you can use that for authentication. So going back to this, so as you see, this is going to show me all the files that are present in the Azure Data Lake Storage Gen2. Now I can either click on load or I can click on transform data. So this basically is going to show me all the files that are present in my case. So I'm going to click on transform data. It is going to open the Power Query editor where it is going to show all the files that are present in the Azure Data Lake Storage Gen2. So if I scroll to the right, I'll be able to see what is the path of the certain file. So now it has loaded. If I go to the rightmost, right, it is showing this file is present in which place. So I can probably select a single file and then load as well. So in this case, let's say that I want to see load this log.parquet. So I'm going to click on this binary. It is going to load the entire parquet file information into my Power Query. Once this is done, the data gets loaded into Power BI, and then it is going to be a straightforward process wherein you will see all the data listed down under the data section. You can go ahead and start reporting using this data set.